All right, hello guys. As you can see, I'm coming back with a DIY video today. So this is just gonna be a quick video. I just wanna show you guys a simple home decor made out of wine bottles. So let me explain to you guys what we're gonna need. So I just had a couple of wine bottles, and as you can already see, I already spray painted this one white. And what we're gonna need is some jute rope, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, and some hot glue. That is all we're gonna need for this. This is gonna be a quick DIY. And by the way, let's give a honor to God, who is the head of my life. And how are all you guys doing out there in YouTube land? I hope everybody is fine and blessed and having a great day. As for myself, I am great. All right, let's start with this video. So this is gonna be a simple DIY. What you do is get yourself some wine bottles, spray paint them any color that you want them. And what we're gonna do is take the jute rope, I can't even pronounce it right, but that's okay. And we're going to hot glue this rope. Start like right here. Hope you guys can see me. Let me get in shot. Just put a little bit of hot glue right there, and we're gonna start it from like right here, guys. There you go. And we're gonna continue to do this all the way around the bottom, like so. So we're gonna just take that rope like so. Let's get it on around here. We're gonna make sure that is nice and tight. All right. And we're gonna do this all the way around the bottom. So let me get in shot here. Let me take this around because I don't want to bore you guys with while I'm just going to be twisting it around, and I will show you guys when I get done. Stay tuned. Okay guys, halfway through where I want it. So all I'm doing, hope you guys can see, I am just going around in circles. I'm not gluing the whole thing, because I'm just pull it very, very tightly. If you guys do happen to do this DIY, you just keep pulling it tight and keep going around until you get to where you want to stop at, where you would like your bottle to stop at. My bottle, I wanted to go all the way down here, right here. So that's where I want to stop mine's at. So let's keep going and keep going like so. And then as I go a little bit at a time, I will add some more glue right there, and voila. Keep going and keep going and keep going like so. So we're almost there, right where I want it. And let me show you guys where I want to stop at. And this is very tight. Now I think these are make a very cute home decor centerpiece. That's what I am going to be using mine for. So I'm just going to take just a tad bit of glue to glue that in, and I'm going to run this all the way around. Gotta put another glue stick in the bottle like so. So you want to make sure that bottom part is glued all the way around like so. So let's just glue that all the way around where I want it to stop at. Okay. And that will be it. I'm gonna take my scissors, cut it on a slant like so. Finish hot gluing this like that. Press down really, really good. And that concludes putting the jute rope around our bottle. And this is what it's looking like, guys. Now, the next step, take you a lighter, and we're gonna burn all of those little hairs off that sticks out on the jute cord, like so. Make sure you get it really good. Now you can find these in the store, guys. I have seen bottles like this in the stores and they were pretty expensive. I'm like, oh my God, I can make that for a centerpiece. Okay, just taking that lighter. Yep. Burn the top, and there you go, guys. Got glue. You can always clean the glue up. That's not a problem. That comes right off. And here you have it, like so. And this is what the bottle is looking like, guys. Sorry that I was out of shot, but this is what we're looking like. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, just wanted to let you know that this is it. Very simple DIY, and this is it. Very quick. I did 3 bottles to set on my table, and I think it came out very, very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep your head up, keep the faith, and I will connect with you guys in my next video. Love you guys out there, and stay safe, guys. And I'll be praying for all of you guys out there. I'm always praying for all my subscribers. And hey, one more thing, guys. Pray for me. Don't forget, a makeup video is coming up pretty soon, guys. So, love you guys. Connect with you in my next video. Bye-bye.